Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most merciful and compassionate. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. You are watching my channel AAW Knowledge Consultancy. So here we are with our new episode, the writing episode, episode 3. We are learning how to write quality English. Okay, dear viewers, now take out your notebooks, pens, pencils with you and start writing. Believe me, my dear viewers, this is a very, very unique opportunity for me and for you to learn how to write a quality English. We are all under learning curve. As I've told you, my dear viewers, I've seen a lot of people, those who are very good, immaculate, simply awesome in their spoken English. But when it comes to writing, they struggle a bit. So today I have selected a very important and interesting topic for you, my dear viewers. You have lots of options to write correct quality English. So let's in action. Today's topic is how picnics and outings create positive and pleasant impact on our minds and personalities. Isn't it? It's interesting, isn't it? Surely. So what's the topic is today? How picnics and outings create positive and pleasant impact on our minds and personalities. My dear viewers, you should know 10 golden principles which I have taught you in my first writing episode. So afterwards, what you have to do, the first step is to develop a questionnaire. What's that? To develop a questionnaire. Okay, so far so happy. Let's move. See, so whole of this topic we have divided into 4 questions. Number 1, why do we need to go for picnics and outings? Why do we need to go for picnics and outings? Number 2 questions, how picnics are source of knowledge, fun and recreation. So far so good. 3rd question is, what impact do picnics and outings create on friendship, family bonding and team building? So last but not the least, how picnics and outings improve our vision, minds and personalities. So dear viewers, so you have seen that we have to answer these 4 critical questions with critical understanding, logical and critical way, and we are there with our solutions as usual. So far so good, my dear viewers. So let's start writing. Please, those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new video. So here we are. See, all the time you have these questions one by one. Why do we need to go for picnics? So start writing. Today's world is hectic, full of worries and pressures from all directions. So far so good. Today's life is hectic, with worries and pressures from all directions. We have study pressure, family pressure, job pressure, social pressure, financial pressure, and other psychological pressures. So far so good, my dear viewers. Okay, happy? Now write next sentence. Everyone wants to enjoy himself or herself. Picnics and outings are best source of fun, relaxation and recreation. Full stop. So far so good. Okay, my dear viewers, what else you're going to write the next sentence? Please start writing. What else? So write the next sentence, keeping in view these questions. First 2. This time we are doing first and second question. So when we go to picnic with our friends, family members and colleagues, we get excited due to sense of belonging. We get excited due to sense of belonging. So far so good. What else next? When we visit to a particular place, we try to learn history, geography, heritage and culture of that particular place. So far so good. What else next? We develop a practical exposure of that place through deep inside knowledge and information related to different events and specialities related to that particular place. So far so good, my dear viewers. So when we visit to a particular place with our friends, with our family members, with our colleagues, we used to have a very close relationship. We used to have a very close relationship. First up, we enhance our communication and problem sharing. We enhance our communication, we share knowledge, feelings freely with our family members, with our friends, with our colleagues, and we find best solutions of our problem. Okay, so far so good. What else next you're going to write? In this way, we build cohesive, dynamic teams based on mutual trust, openness, and knowledge sharing. Based on mutual trust, knowledge sharing, and understanding. Okay, so far so good. Okay. In this way, we develop a forward-looking approach and see things out of the box. We see, analyze, and judge things in a positive perspective to develop a clear understanding to achieve best solution. First stop, whenever we visit to a particular place, we get excited. We improve our vision. We develop a certain approach that we must achieve something extraordinary in our lives. So, my dear viewers, what else are you going to write? The last question, how picnics and outings improve our vision, minds, and personality. So, just two arguments, and we are there with us. So, these picnics and outings are a source to improve, enhance our vision, our knowledge, and understanding related to different things. Surely, we will develop a very positive and forward-looking approach towards ourselves and towards other. How? When we visit to different place, meet different people, some of the people are very, very prominent. Some of the people have nice attitude. Some of the people, those who have achieved a lot in their life. So we take inspiration from these people. In this way, we improve our thinking, our communication, our mental approach, and we improve our knowledge and understanding. So, dear viewers, these picnics and outings are best source to improve our mind, mental level, and personalities. These picnics and outings motivate us to achieve our goals and objectives. In this way, we improve our mind and personality. So obviously, this all create a very positive and pleasant impact on our personalities and on our thinking. So you have seen, my dear viewers, you can do even better than me. Mark my word, this is a very, very unique opportunity, my dear viewers. I've exploited a lot of strategies on my student, and believe me, I have achieved extraordinary results. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please, your valuable feedback would always be appreciated. Once again, my dear viewers, those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my new videos. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you health, wealth, peace and prosperity throughout your life. Ameen. with lots of du'as, lots of prayers. Remember me in your prayer. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.